Hello, guys. So just finished the call with my mentor. We went through some backtesting, and basically, he was showing me how he does the backtesting. I learned a lot. I've, good thing is I've recorded it over the Zoom, so I will go through it again. And yeah, pro- I'll share with you guys whatever I learned. So let me just quickly go through whatever I've learned with him on this back testing. Let me see I can if I can replicate it here. So let's just do a quick video. Uh, I'll go to a random time in the past. Okay, my computer is very slow because Zoom is still converting the file into a recording and it's taking up a lot of I don't know what you call it, memory power. Okay. I'm not sure. So yeah. Anyways, let's focus on trading. Cool. So yeah, let's start the backtesting. The strategies are still the same. We start off with the higher time frame, weekly. Start off with the weekly time frame. Okay, so let's mark out our pivots. Okay, then obvious pivots. I think this is a pivot. This is pivot. Would like to, no, I would like to mark out this one. So here you can see that there's a sweep, right? This is a sweep, and we haven't seen a break in market structure at this point. Break in market structure would be the break of this. So let's just mark that also. If when we see a break of this low, uh, then we that would be a confirmation to short. But here we can see that there's a sweep, so we can just go to the lower time frames like 1 hour or 4 hour and wait for a market structure break there. That could happen like somewhere higher, right? And then enter market structure break with a displacement and then enter on the FVG. So yeah, this is just a small little fair value gap. We can mark that. Okay, weekly fair value gap. Mm, yeah, that's the weekly. Now let's switch on to the daily. Mm, yeah, there are some fair value gaps. Okay, we can shift. Okay, so the fair value, we shift the fair value gap to here, and where we mark the weekly fair value gap, actually there's a lot of liquidity below that. Okay, so let's mark the pivot here. We can mark out the fair value gap here also. Okay, that's the fair value gaps marked. Any pivots. So here you can see a sweep, a clear sweep. Okay. So yeah, the market structure break would be the break of this, but I'm going to wait for uh, the market structure break on the 4 hour chart and then enter. I'm expecting on the 4 hour chart the break to be earlier. This would be like I will have to wait for price to come back here all the way to break this market structure, and only then I can short. That would be too long time. Okay. So yeah, let's switch to our 4 hour chart. Okay, one more thing first. Let's try to see form a bias. Where is price trying to go? Price, there is liquidity here, obviously there's liquidity here. It's kind of like price is kind of like in the middle, and we just saw that the price has swept this high. So now my bias is obviously to short. This looks like a very good short. So yeah, 4 hour there's a break in market structure. Here break in market structure, guys. Okay, this is, and it also is with kind of like an impulse. So I'm going to switch to further lower time frames to the 15-minute, and we have a clear price target to be somewhere here. Okay, if we were to enter on the 4 hour chart, we would enter somewhere here. Okay, and our stop loss would be, yeah, above this high, because that is the high that swept the liquidity. So price has no objective to go. It's very less likely that price will go higher than this high. If it goes, yeah, higher than this high, then that's invalidation for us. And our targets would be this. Okay. Now we can like go to further lower time frames and refine our entries. See if we can get a better entry and a better stop loss. I don't think we can get a better stop loss. So there's a fair value gap here. It's almost like coinciding with this one. No better entry on the 30-minute. Is there a better entry on the 15-minute? Come on. Okay. Mm. It's kind of like the same entry. I'm just checking if this high swept this the highest of this was 100.795. The highest of this was 100.77. Okay, so this high is higher than these highs. Okay, this high was 100.7913, and this is 100.795. So this is like, this week is higher than these highs, so that means this, so this also swept some liquidity above these highs, and this is like a very clear bearish indication to me. Like this high already swept some liquidity above, and it showed us that okay, now we are going to go bearish, and then the same thing happened here, that it made price made highs, and this swept the liquidity above this highs. That is a clear indication to me that we are continuing the bearish trend. So yeah, this looks like a good entry to me. Yeah, let's switch to the 4 hours so that we can do this faster. So we couldn't find a better entry on the 30-minute and 15-minute. I would have gone to the 5-minute or 4-minute and 3-minute to find better entries, but in this back testing, if I go to 5-minute, there's a chance that TradingView does not have the data, and it might just end the back testing altogether. It happens sometimes if the date is too far back in time. Like TradingView does not have data for like 1 minute, 2 minute, 4-minute, 5-minute, and it just ends the backtesting. Okay, so anyways, let's just place. Yeah, we got the entry. Okay, okay, wait, what is happening here? Right, price swept. Yeah, yeah, I think we are going to get stopped out. Yeah, but you can see this huge damn move on this one. I mean, we don't necessarily have to wait until here to take over all the profits. We could have like taken profits here itself, right? Uh, yeah, because there is some resistance here. So we should be mindful of that. And that would have been like almost a 2 hour. I mean, yeah, I don't know, man. Mm, yeah, clearly, I would say this trade is like a break-even trade. Yeah, because I would have taken some profits and then after that I would have gotten stopped out. So, anyways, yeah, strategy seems fine. There is again a swept here, and you can see a clear down move after that. So you could have gone for another scalp, but yeah. So that's the strategy, guys. Let's yeah. I'm gonna end this video. Nothing I say is financial advice, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Post it in the comments, like and subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye bye.